great channel banner is ultimately about getting more views, subscribers and watch time and creating a nice entrance for your YouTube visitors. It's quite tricky to create a channel banner if you don't know what you're doing. What dimensions should you use? Where should you put images and text to make it look good on all kinds of platforms? And what elements should you put on your banner to make it look professional? If you're not ready to outsource your graphical design, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourself, DIY. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your influence and income online. If you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe and the bell to get notified about weekly updates on how to build the business and life you deserve. A popular option for beginners is Canva. You can use Photoshop, for example, or any other tool, but I'm going to walk you through how to use Canva to create a YouTube channel banner. So grab your version of Canva down below at my resources page and let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you, so let's dive in. Let's jump onto Canva and put YouTube in the search bar. You're going to then see templates for channel art, which we're going to use, but also for thumbnails, for example. Loads of templates are visible. You can see that most of the text is in the middle of the screen of your template. Small text, and I'm going to explain to you why in just a little bit. Scroll down to find any template that you're interested in working with. I'm going to go for this one. The black and green is simple enough to do some easy updates. The first thing we're going to do is grab a template from Google search. And I've prepared, of course, before recording this video, and I'm going to show you in a little bit why I've downloaded this image. I'm going to show you here how I searched for YouTube banner size on Google Images and found this one. Just saved it to my drive to then upload it to Canva. Now we're going to add rulers. Go to File, activate Show Rulers, and we're going to drag the lines down to mark the areas of the safe zone for our banner. So the very large image here is for TV screens. The one across is for desktop, and the one in the very middle that we're defining right there is for mobile, and this is the frame for tablets. So if you just hover over these lines, you're going to see where they're placed, and you're going to find that these are the correct measures for mobile, tablet, desktop, and TV. So now we can just highlight this image and remove it completely, and we're going to have the lines stay and show us where our safe zone is to put images. Previously used this night sky with the stars, and you can use any image that you find in Canva, select it, drag and drop, and put it to the back so that you get all the other areas with text and images to the front. I ungrouped this one to remove that play button, and now I'm going to add my own photo. So you can upload any photo to Canva. I've uploaded this one previously. Drag it, drop it where you want it, resize it. I'm going to stick with this, I think. And then go to Effects, Remove Background, and there we are. It looks funny with that white thing, so I'm going to crop it slightly as well. There we go. Now for the text. I want this text though to be not italics, I want it bold. And now I'm actually going to copy this text square, text frame, because I want a similar text at the top, and this is where I'm going to put welcome to. So now we have a background, we have an image, we have the name of your channel, and let's move this up. It's easy drag and drop in Canva, no problem. And actually now we're gonna also copy this one again and put what your channel is about and how often your viewers can expect download. Position it center, aligning it, and now we're going to change the colors of these graphics right there. That looks pretty good, and you can also move them around so that they're out of the picture on a desktop, for example, and just visible on TV. There we go. I'm also copying this to put it on the desktop version. I want here a call to action. So you should have that as well. Some kind of call to action. Buy your course, subscribe to your channel, or anything that you want your visitor to do. You can also resize the view here to make it easier to work with when you are working with small text like this. I want this play button. I really like it, the shiny feel of it. So I'm going to remove the background and resize it and drag it and drop it, and also turn it slightly where I want it, just a little bit on the angle like this. And then we're going to add an arrow also to the click to subscribe part. Resize it, drag it and drop it, and flip it so that it points downward, because I have a subscribe button on my YouTube channel that I want my visitor to use. So that's my call to action. I'm going to add a phone. I found this picture in Canva, so you can search for iPhone, for example, or camera or whatever. I'm going to drag it and drop it right here. So half of the phone is shown on the desktop version and the full one on TV. I'm pretty happy with this actually. I'm not going to just name the file YouTube banner. Let's put tutorial version. I'm happy with this. I'm pretty proud of this banner, and now I'm just going to download it, actually choosing JPEG because it has a smaller file size. Go to your studio, customization and branding, change your banner image, locate it on your drive, and then publish. The button will be blue and you press it, it will be great. So that's it. I hope you now have an idea of how you can create the perfect channel banner where your images and text are put in the right place to show up well on all platforms, and that you also know now how to jump onto your YouTube studio customization and branding to update your channel banner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe and comment below what you think about this video and what you want to create your channel all about. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.